Hi guys, this is Praveen. I'm here to tell you about skincare. I work on a person, whatever skin, whatever feature, whatever face. My duty to make them look as pretty as possible. But किसी को भी खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए आपको स्किन केयर चाहिए होता है. I am here to tell you guys you need a very good skin before you go for a makeup. When you have a great skincare, you will look really beautiful. And I highly recommend to use Eclat product. They are made by doctor, organic products. The mixing of all the products are so good you can actually mix and match and apply on your face. The way I do it, from the cleanser to sunblock to moisturizer to face packs to toners, anything you name it. It's amazing brand. Guys, you should try these products. They are amazing. Makeup का जो foundation है, that is the skin care, and I highly recommend to use Eclat product. Thank you.